Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically pre-populate form fields in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Click Create Form to start building a new form from scratch. The form builder opens in a new tab. The Choose How to Build Your Form window opens. Select Form Editor from the available options, then click Next. You'll see a template gallery with several pre-built form layouts. For this example, I'm selecting the Contact Us template, then clicking Use Template to load it into the editor. Click the plus button on the left to open the Add to Form panel, which shows all the available field types you can add to your form. Drag a number field from the panel onto your form. It drops into position, and the Edit Field panel opens automatically on the right side of your screen. Configure your new field settings in the Edit Field panel. Label it, mark whether it's required, and set any default value you need. When the form layout is ready, click Preview in the top right to see how it'll look to visitors on the live page. The preview opens in a new view showing your form exactly as it will appear when published, with all your fields and styling intact. Click Copy Link in the top right corner to grab the shareable URL for your form. A copied notification confirms it's on your clipboard. To test your form's prefill behavior, paste that copied link into a browser and append query parameters to the URL using the exact field names from your form. For example, add !email equals jordan.smith@example.com to prefill an email field. Field names are case sensitive, so double-check the spelling in your form editor before building your link. You can chain multiple parameters together with ampersands to prefill several fields at once. Each one follows the same pattern, separated by an ampersand. If a field isn't filling, check that the parameter name exactly matches the internal field name shown in the editor, not just the display label. And that's how to dynamically pre-populate form fields in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.